Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the Thermaltake Ceres 350MX, specifically the Racing Green Edition. This mid-tower case is making a statement, and we're here to see if it lives up to the hype. First impressions are strong. The Racing Green color is definitely eye-catching, a refreshing change from the usual black or white boxes. The case features a mesh and tempered glass front panel, giving you the best of both worlds, airflow and aesthetics. You get to show off your components while still keeping things cool. Speaking of cooling, Thermaltake has included a solid fan setup right out of the box. You get two 140mm ARGB fans in the front and a single 140mm standard fan in the rear. This configuration should provide ample airflow for most builds, and the ARGB fans add a nice touch of customizable lighting. One of the standout features of the Ceres 350MX is its support for hidden connector motherboards. This is a game changer for cable management. By routing cables behind the motherboard tray and connecting them from the back, you can achieve a much cleaner and more organized look inside your case. This not only improves airflow, but also makes your build look more professional. The case itself is well built, with a sturdy frame and quality materials. The tempered glass side panel is easy to remove and provides a clear view of your components. There's plenty of room inside for even larger components, including high-end graphics cards and CPU coolers. Building in the Ceres 350MX is a breeze. The spacious interior and well-thought-out design make it easy to install components and route cables. The hidden connector motherboard support is a huge plus, and the included fan setup is more than adequate for most builds. Overall, the Thermaltake Ceres 350MX is a fantastic mid-tower case that offers a great combination of style, performance, and features. The Racing Green color is unique and eye-catching. The mesh and tempered glass front panel provides excellent airflow and aesthetics, and the hidden connector motherboard support makes cable management a breeze. If you're looking for a case that stands out from the crowd and offers excellent performance, the Ceres 350MX is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.